On this fateful day, my people, as I come back from work, there's nothing for me to eat. And the only thing when I get from my kitchen, I be this leftover rice one and this. The kind hunger when they beat me for here, my people, now that hunger when you not get respect. At the same time, my people, there's nothing for me to eat. Imagine. You know that time when you go day work and you want almost finish, you go just the reason for your recharge now just for you to eat, then relax yourself. Omo, who send me market? As food not there for me to eat now, my people. Now wetin I need to do be say I need to turn this my leftover rice to another new food because the kind hunger when they beat me for here, e no get single respect. Oh yeah, now we begin to start to do the work before we go eat because they say there is no food for lazy man. If I go sit down now, my people, nobody go give me this food make I eat. And remember now, let me one day has because children never come back from school. See that onions as I take do not be say I not get blender. Remember, but I not just want use blender take do and the way I just want na in be that. After that one now, my people, now I come put my pot for fire, add am small butter, then come put my prawn inside. Add my onions, my pepper, and my garlic. Then we go come turn everything together. After we don't turn everything together for few seconds, then we go come add and this our mushroom abi wetin that they call am. Make una not mind me because una sister not go school here, but in French that they call am champignon. Can you cook without salt, my people? The question is no. Who go cook without not even add little salt? Even though say you know they eat salt, but at least put little. Then I can add my black pepper, add my seasoning powder, then turn everything together again, just the way you are seeing it. The next one we go to add, and I be this our cookie cream. Then we go come add inside our pot, turn everything together. Then after that, make we turn everything together, my people. Then we dey see the result, the way the thing is going. Una remember that our onions when we not blend earlier, when I use my hand to do, and I be this one, then go come add join her. The reason why I not quick add that because I want that flavor of onions inside the food. Then the next thing now we'll go add our normal milk where we dey drink. Now be this one. Then come add our cheese. Turn everything together, just a little, guys. If you test this food, una still remember saying now our leftover rice now be waiting we want make. Then after that one, I'm go cover and make everything for combined together like conjoined twins. Here is our leftover rice now. Then we go add that inside the pot, turn everything together. Why is it always that anytime you want to make small food, because you know say maybe that food you not go to make sense, but at the end of that food they make sense die. Since last week I make this food till today on Monday when they see this post for here so I never rest. Why? Because my children they disturb me asking me, mommy please when are you making this rice again, because they want to eat it more. At this point now, my people, our food is almost ready, neighbor. So tell me, what do you think? Should I make this food for them again or no? Please let me know on the comment section if I should make this food for them again. You that is watching this video now, will you throw away your leftover rice or you will give it this method? Oh yeah, rate my leftover rice on the comment section from 1 to 10. How many are you giving me? Will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. And please remember to follow for more.